Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Bay Beach opening day. Here with Michelle. And Zippin Pippin's going. No line. Surprising. It's a beautiful day. It's maybe like 10, 20, something like that. Good morning, Michelle.
Hi.
Welcome back to Bay Beach. That looks fun. Let's get in line. We got some tickets, which is good. Because I always seem to forget the tickets from like the last year when we get here. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out. I have some other updates for you in a little bit. We'll talk about it throughout the course.
It now costs $1.50 instead of $1.
That was a topic at hand.
And some of the other rides went up too.
Yeah, there are some price increases here at Bay Beach, but it'll be worth it because shop local, stay local, you know. Support these little parks.
Did you know that Zippin Pippin is 13 years old this year?
Wow, it's been here 13 years already, huh?
13. It opened in 2011. 13. It's a teenager. It's 13 this year.
That's crazy. Wow. Happy 13th anniversary to this Zippin Pippin. No
I
line.
rode it the first year.
You rode it back in 2011, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to ride it again this year. So yeah, we're talking about the price increases. Zippin Pippin went from $1 to $1.50. The 75-cent rides are now $1. And the 50-cent rides, pretty much everything went up by a quarter, except for the kiddie rides. So, and then during Tuesdays through Thursdays, the 25-cent kiddie rides will be free. So there you go. For families with the little ones, you can get some free rides during the mid-weekdays. And yeah, so that's a thing, nothing we can do about. And like I said, hey, support the park. And yeah, looks like we're going to get a good ride or two. I think I have enough for 2 rides before we have to get more tickets. So yeah, it's just nice remembering the tickets this year. I always forget to bring them.
I love watching this.
Right? Coaster nerd stuff. It's awesome.
I love I love standing right here and watching it speed up. Look at all that chain
Look
grease.
at that grease. Are we really going to walk all of this? I don't think so. I think we're skipping. Oh, line jumping. Sorry.
Let's do it.
Good idea. Let's go.